Today I'm diving deep into Banco Santander Mexico's online banking platform to share my full, unfiltered experience. I've been using their services for a while and wanted to show you exactly what it's like from the user's perspective. When you first log into the site, the dashboard is clean, but not particularly modern. It does the job, but it feels a bit dated compared to newer fintech solutions. Loading speeds are decent, but occasional lag can make navigation slightly frustrating. Account overviews are prominently displayed, with recent transactions and balances front and center. One thing I noticed is that while the layout is logical, the font size and spacing could definitely be improved for better readability, especially on smaller screens. The site works better on desktop than mobile browsers, although the dedicated Santander app is a necessary alternative for smoother access on the go. Security-wise, they do implement two-factor authentication, but the process can be cumbersome. If you forget your password or need to reset it, be prepared for a long verification process that might involve phone calls or branch visits. Definitely not as convenient as more modern banks. The services offered include everything from personal accounts and credit cards to investment options and insurance. Navigation to these sections is straightforward, though each service has a separate interface style, which makes the experience feel fragmented. Consistency across the platform would really help improve usability. Transferring money is simple, although you'll need to get through multiple confirmation screens. This adds a layer of security, but also slows down the process. For recurring payments, it's efficient once you've set them up, but the setup itself is not particularly intuitive. Many useful links you can find in the description. Customer support through the platform is hit or miss. The live chat bot is limited and often redirects you to call centers. When you do call, wait times can vary significantly. I experienced everything from 2-minute wait times to over 20 minutes. It's clear that the support infrastructure isn't stale to handle large volumes efficiently. Their financial education resources are surprisingly good. They offer webinars, articles, and budgeting tools that are helpful, especially for younger users trying to get a grip on managing money. However, finding these resources requires a few extra clicks. They're not front and center where they should be. Opening a new account online is possible, but the verification process may still require a branch visit, which kind of defeats the purpose of being fully digital. Identity verification through photos and document uploads is available, but their system is picky, and I had to retry several times before it accepted my documents. In terms of fees, they're transparent about them, but you do have to dig through some PDFs to get full clarity. Monthly maintenance fees and minimum balance requirements are standard for traditional banks, and Banco Santander Mexico doesn't really try to break that mold. If you're someone who values in-person banking with the option for online tools, this bank still makes sense. But if you're looking for a sleek, 100% digital experience with lightning-fast support and AI-driven tools, Banco Santander Mexico isn't quite there yet. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews.